Hey guys, welcome back to our tutorial. Today we're gonna change our normal photo into this effect in Photoshop. So let's know how to do this. First of all, just open your picture and make copy of that picture and click on adjustment layer and go to gradient. Click on gradient color. Here you have to select your gradient color. For example, I'm adding my color, this color. Click OK and again click OK. Here what you have to do is just to change your angle, like I'm changing my angle to 3. And here is the below, here is the scale. You can change also this to apply the more effect on the photo. So click OK. After that, what you have to do is just make a copy layer of that adjustment layer, and here you have to click on the reverse and here change again your color. Click OK. Also click OK. After that, what you have to do is just go to blending mode, and here you have to select the vivid light, soft light, and here you have to select the soft light and again select the soft light. Again click on the adjustment layer. What you have to do is just move your adjustment, the gradient color to the left, so that it can be applied on the face completely. So here it is before and after.